Cross-contamination is a leading cause of food poisoning, often spread from raw meat, unwashed veggies, or even staff and surfaces. To keep food safe, always separate raw and ready-to-eat items, and stay alert for physical and chemical contamination too. Good hygiene, proper cleaning, and careful handling protect your kitchen and your customers. Be food smart. Stay cross-contamination free. Personal hygiene and fitness to work. Maintaining personal hygiene is your first line of defense against foodborne illnesses. Ensure staff wash hands properly, wear clean clothing, and use protective aprons, especially when handling raw foods. Hair should be tied back, and jewelry removed to prevent contamination. Remind your team: no smoking, chewing, or face touching during food prep. Every detail counts. Keep hygiene a habit, not just a checklist. Fitness for work. Health and hygiene go hand in hand. Ensure your team is fit for work. No symptoms, no risk. If staff feel unwell or show signs like vomiting or diarrhea, they must report and stay away for 48 hours. Cover all cuts with waterproof dressings, and always supervise fitness checks before every shift. Simple steps like clean uniforms and proper changing areas can prevent major food safety hazards. Stay alert, stay clean, keep your kitchen contamination free. Cloths. Cloths can easily spread bacteria if not handled right. Use disposable cloths when you can, and always clean and disinfect reusables properly. Separate cloths by task, and never use them for more than one job. A hot wash, proper drying, and disinfecting are essential steps. Remember, dirty cloths mean dirty kitchens. Stay one step ahead, clean right, and clean smart. Cloths by job. Different jobs need different cloths. Use chef cloths for hot trays, dish cloths for washing up, and disposable towels for surfaces and spills. Never reuse dirty cloths. This spreads harmful bacteria fast. Train your team, increase supply, and always store clean cloths separately. Stay organized, stay clean, stay safe. Separating foods. Keep raw and ready-to-eat foods apart. Separate deliveries, storage, and prep areas to stop bacteria from spreading. Use color-coded chopping boards, dedicated sinks, and store allergen-free foods separately. Never wash raw meat, it only spreads germs. Follow smart separation to keep food safe and customers protected. Cross-contamination. Stop cross-contamination before it starts. Always wash fresh produce in a dedicated sink. Use separate tools and equipment for raw and ready-to-eat foods. Avoid mixing raw meat with cooked meals. Keep them apart, even on the grill. If things go wrong, act fast, clean, disinfect, and retrain. A safe kitchen is an organized kitchen. Stay alert, stay compliant, stay food safe. Food hypersensitivity. Food allergies can be life-threatening. Don't take risks. Label everything clearly and double-check ingredients at every step. Always prepare allergy-free meals with cleaned equipment and separate tools. Store allergen-free foods securely, and deliver them safely, sealed, labeled, and separate. If you're unsure, stop, check, and start fresh. Food safety starts with awareness, and ends with care. Cross-contamination. Allergens. Allergens are invisible threats. A single mistake can be life-threatening. Be clear, be accurate. Always label ingredients and check every item, especially for dishes served to customers with food allergies. Use clean tools, separate preparation areas, and double-check every step. If something goes wrong, act fast, call 999, stay calm, and assist. And after any incident, review, retrain, and never repeat. Safety starts with knowledge and continues with vigilance. In every kitchen, safety begins with prevention. Follow proper instructions and store chemicals away from food, clearly labeled. Keep food covered to avoid contamination from falling objects or pests. Control pests effectively and use chemicals correctly, labeled, stored, and secure. Clean as you go. A tidy surface is a safe surface. Fix or replace damaged tools. Loose parts can end up in food. And remember, no glass in the kitchen. It's not worth the risk. If anything goes wrong, review your process and take action immediately. Pest control isn't just hygiene, it's protection. Check your premises regularly. Rats, flies, and cockroaches carry harmful bacteria. Inspect all deliveries. Don't accept goods with signs of pest damage. Keep outdoor areas clean and weed-free. Waste attracts pests. Don't give them shelter. Spot the signs early. Droppings, nests, buzzing, or not packaging. Every clue matters. Using pest control contractors? Great, but also ask, when was your last check? Pests are silent intruders, but their damage is loud and clear. Cockroaches, ants, birds, and beetles all leave behind warning signs, droppings, nests, maggots, and even contaminated food. If pests strike, act fast. Clean, disinfect, and throw out anything affected. Then call your pest contractor immediately. Prevent the problem. Maintain high hygiene standards, conduct regular checks, and train your staff to spot the signs early. And remember, never let pest control chemicals near your food prep zones. Log every action in your diary. Because food safety doesn't start in the kitchen, it starts with control. Pests don't belong in your kitchen. From cockroaches to ants, birds, and beetles. Each leaves behind dangerous signs. Droppings, nests, maggots, and contamination. If you spot pests, act fast. Clean, disinfect, and call your pest control expert immediately. Keep food areas spotless, bins sealed, and diaries updated. Make checks routine, not reactive. And never let pest control chemicals near food surfaces, they can be just as harmful. Log it, report it, stop it, because real food safety starts with real pest control. Clean kitchens start with solid maintenance. From walls to windows, every surface must be smooth and damage-free, because cracks attract pests and bacteria. Check extractor fans and filters. If they're dirty, they're not protecting your kitchen. Scratched boards, broken utensils, chipped plates, ditch them. They're breeding grounds for germs. Faulty cooking or chilling equipment? That's a recipe for unsafe food. And never skip temperature probe checks. Your safety depends on accuracy. If it's damaged, fix it. If it's not working, replace it. Maintenance isn't optional, it's your shield. Your kitchen's safety depends on how quickly you act. When equipment fails, don't delay. Fix it fast, check manufacturer guidance, or call your contractor. Log every action. Use your diary to track faults, fixes, and follow-ups. Regular checks mean no surprises. Keep an eye on damage and wear before it risks food safety. Train your staff, supervise often, and schedule routine servicing. Clean, functional equipment keeps pests and problems away. Check, record, maintain. That's how you protect your kitchen and your customers.